Sometimes rainy evenings can feel lonely, but they can also become peaceful memories. After school, dark clouds slowly fill the sky. Alex walks quietly down the street. Cold wind moves softly around him. Then small drops of rain begin to fall. People open their umbrellas quickly. Cars move slowly through the wet streets. City lights reflect beautifully on the road. Alex stops near a small bus stop. Rain falls heavily around the city. The evening feels quiet and cold. Alex watches the rain silently. For a moment, he feels lonely. But the sound of the rain feels peaceful too. A warm light shines from a small coffee shop nearby. Alex walks slowly toward the shop. He opens the door quietly. Warm air fills the small room. Soft yellow lights glow gently inside. Alex sits near the window alone. Outside, rain continues to fall softly. He orders a warm cup of coffee. Alex watches people walking outside with umbrellas. Sometimes quiet moments are the most special. After some time, the rain becomes lighter. Alex stands up and leaves the coffee shop. Cool evening air touches his face gently. The wet streets shine under the city lights. Alex walks home slowly and peacefully. The rain has almost stopped now. The night sky looks dark and beautiful. Alex takes a deep breath and smiles. Today was a quiet, rainy evening, but it became a warm and peaceful memory. Sometimes the quiet sound of rain can calm our hearts, and peaceful evenings can become beautiful memories. Thank you for listening today. See you tomorrow for another English story.